Are you tired of paying for expensive gym memberships that you barely use? Do you find yourself too busy, stuck at home, or overwhelmed by complicated workout plans? You're not alone. So many of us struggle to stay consistent with fitness because life gets in the way. Work, family, or just plain exhaustion. And let's face it, sometimes the thought of stepping into a crowded gym feels intimidating. But here's the good news. What if I told you that you can achieve amazing fitness results without leaving your home? Stick with me because I'm about to share the secrets of effective home workouts that will transform your fitness game. Why home workouts work? Why are home workouts just as effective as hitting the gym? Let's start with the basics. Why even consider home workouts? The truth is, fitness doesn't have to happen in a fancy gym. When you work out at home, you save time, avoid distractions, and tailor the environment to your comfort level. Plus, research shows that bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, and even simple household items can give you a full body workout. Here's a quick story. A friend of mine, Sarah, had zero time to go to the gym. Between managing her kids and working full-time, she felt stuck. She started doing 20-minute workouts in her living room. After a few months, she saw better results than when she was dragging herself to the gym 3 times a week. But how do you create a workout plan that actually works at home? Building a simple and effective routine. What's the secret formula to structuring your home workout for maximum results? The key to an effective home workout is balance. You want to target strength, cardio, and flexibility. Here's a simple formula. Warm up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio like jumping jacks or jogging in place. Strength. Focus on bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Cardio. Try high knees, burpees, or mountain climbers to get your heart rate up. Cool down and stretch. Don't skip this. It helps with recovery. Sarah, from the earlier story, followed this format. On Mondays, she did a 20-minute bodyweight circuit. Wednesdays were for yoga, and Fridays for cardio bursts. It worked because it was simple and fit her schedule. What if you don't have fancy equipment at home? Can you still get a great workout? Using household items as equipment. How can you turn everyday items into fitness tools? The beauty of home workouts is that you don't need expensive gear. Got a sturdy chair? Use it for tricep dips or step-ups. Water bottles or cans of soup? Perfect for makeshift weights. Towels can double as sliders for ab exercises. For example, when Sarah started, she couldn't afford weights. She filled empty detergent bottles with water and used them for bicep curls. Her creativity turned her living room into her personal gym. But what if you struggle with motivation at home? How do you stay consistent? Staying motivated and consistent. What's the secret to sticking with your home workout routine? Let's be honest, working out at home sounds easy, but distractions can derail you. The key? Set a schedule and treat it like an appointment. Decide on a time each day and stick to it. Another tip? Create a dedicated workout space. Even if it's just a corner of your living room, having a designated spot helps you mentally switch into workout mode. Here's another story. Sarah struggled with consistency until she started tracking her progress. She made a chart to record every workout and rewarded herself with small treats, like a new workout outfit. Every month, she stayed consistent. But what if you're short on time? Can short workouts still be effective? The power of short workouts. Can a 10 or 15-minute workout really make a difference? Yes, it absolutely can. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a game changer for busy people. These are short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. A 15-minute HIIT workout can burn as many calories as a 30-minute jog. Here's an example. Do 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of squats, and 30 seconds of push-ups. Rest for 1 minute and repeat the circuit 3 to 5 times. Sarah discovered this when she had a packed day. A 10-minute HIIT session was enough to keep her energy up and stay on track with her goals. Now, what if you're new to fitness or worried about injuring yourself at home? Safety tips for home workouts. How can you avoid injuries while working out at home? Safety first. Always warm up to prepare your muscles and joints. Use proper form. If you're unsure, there are plenty of online videos to guide you. Listen to your body and don't push through pain. Sarah made the mistake of skipping her warm-up once and ended up with a pulled muscle. Since then, she's been careful to start with stretches and light movements. Finally, how can you keep your workouts fresh and exciting? Keeping it fun and engaging. How do you prevent boredom and keep your workouts exciting? Switch it up. Try dance workouts, yoga, or even a workout challenge like 30 days of planks. Use apps or YouTube channels for inspiration. You can also invite a friend to join virtually or in person for accountability. Sarah kept things fun by trying new routines every month. She even involved her kids, turning workouts into a family activity. Home workouts don't have to be boring or ineffective. With the right mindset, tools, and plan, you can achieve amazing results right in your living room. Remember Sarah? She transformed her health, confidence, and energy, all without stepping into a gym. Now it's your turn. Start small, stay consistent, and make it fun. What's stopping you from starting your fitness journey today? Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.